Do you like saving money? Well, check this out if you're going to be fishing this summer. So, I wanted to make my own bibs like these for an extra set because, like most of us, maybe we've outgrown a pair of waders over the years. Here's an old set. Absolutely great pair of waders on the top version of it. But you look at that. The feet wear out, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to cut off with a nice shear. We're going to cut off the neoprene portion, pull off the tape, and unravel these things to end up making ourselves DIY bibs. And I'm going to go put them to the test on the water. So you tell me, what do you think of this? Straightforward, simple, absolutely. But I really think this is going to be a very handy piece of equipment to have, especially when you run into having extra waders. Instead of throwing them away because the feet are gone, think about this. You might be able to also have an extra set for a friend. We're going to start right here above the foot line. Now that I think about this, this will give you the most length still out of the waders. And this is the thickest part to cut through. But you can leverage now only losing a small portion of that, and this will fit into your boots. Again, same thing here. Stuff you're never gonna be able to do. Now, some wader companies may allow you to re-seam on a new bottom, and that might be something to look into before you decide to do this. But I've had these since I was a kid, and I figure why the heck not repurpose them for bibs for the boat in the ocean. Just a simple shear. Let's try these on and test them out. All right. That was the perfect idea to save that bottom portion of the neoprene, because it's like still having a bottom portion of the wader. These have sat for so long, these straps need to be all readjusted. But again, for the sake of what it is, you put a jacket over the top of you, right? Now you have a full waterproof pant, and all you did was cut off this. No more booties on the bottom, but you made your own bibs, fully waterproof. This is awesome. Now don't get me wrong, these are definitely my first choice, but without having to spend any money and not throw something away, these are absolutely going to work. Try it out yourself if you got an extra pair. DIY bibs. Yep.
Sure.
Yep.
Let me keep the Coho me.
Yeah. So let me know, are you doing any cool DIY stuff that's saving you money on the water? Comment below and we'll catch you next one. Fish on!